Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and permissions so you can act without delays. Log in using your password and complete two-factor authentication. This secures access and audits your session. Once authenticated, open the EHR application, choose the correct facility or clinic, and wait for the patient list and modules to load. Make sure the interface shows your name and role. If not, inform IT now. This prevents errors later and ensures you see the right workflows. Once the chart is open, verify the medical record number and demographics to avoid charting on the wrong patient. Start with a structured note using templates for history, medications, and allergies. Template speed entry and maintain consistency, yet edit specifics so notes remain accurate. Record vitals and enter orders or prescriptions using drop-downs or coded fields to enhance billing and decision support. Save a draft frequently and use progress note sections to document clinical reasoning and plan before finalizing. To finish, review the chart for completeness, sign and lock the note to establish legal documentation, and confirm that orders were processed and patient instructions are visible. Once done, release results or summaries through secure messaging or the patient portal, and exchange data with external systems via the Health Information Exchange when needed. If something goes wrong, missing data, or sync issues, check the audit log, recover any recent draft, and contact IT with specifics so they can trace and correct the problem promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.